Going really fast there. It's really unbelievable. He is slowing down. Wonder why. There another train coming? Oh wow, Jack's going for real. Probably slowing down. Hi there. Hi. He's definitely slowing down. I don't know why he's slowing down, because he's probably waiting for another train. Probably gonna stop. He's slowing down. This train is the NS206. That's the NS206 right there. I call that. I knew he was gonna stop. Wait a minute, I think I see another train coming. He is slowing down. No, it's not another train coming. Whoa, look at that. Started going 30, now he's going to go 5. I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick. Bubby is still gotta keep going. Well, I'm not gonna wait that long, but I'm gonna say this some more. Stranger, this is Norfolk Southern 266. Well, that's 206. The 318 Chicago 96 year 3 yard. Goes Buffalo, New York at the body yard. All on this Saturday, December 23rd, 2023 from Wyville Trains on YouTube. Here comes the next video.